Hey friends, it's Miss Kaylee. I miss everyone and I hope everyone is doing great. I wanted to share a fun activity that everyone can try this week. It's called Bubble-ology. We're going to be working on some problem solving, comparing, and making some predictions. So some of the materials that you might need for this activity are drinking straws, tape. I actually didn't use tape to hold the drinking straws together in a circle, but you can if you want to make it a little bit more sturdier. Pipe cleaners. I didn't use pipe cleaners because I didn't have them today, but you can if you have those as well. A plastic container or a water bottle that you can cut the bottom off to use as a bubble wand. A dish or bath soap, either works. I used Dawn dish soap and it seemed to make really great bubbles. Before starting the activity, explain to your child what she is going to do in the experiment and actually build predictions together, talking about which wands might blow bigger bubbles. You can also talk about colors if you do have food coloring and decide to add it to the water. Next, you're going to help your child build different wands. So if you do have pipe cleaners or straws, you're going to help your child bend one of the pipe cleaners into a circle or square or another shape you can choose, like a triangle, etc., and attach another second pipe cleaner to make a handle. For the water bottle, all you need is an empty plastic water bottle, and all I did was cut it in half and I took the top off of the water bottle, so the cap, I took it off. Alright, so let's get started. So step one, you're going to put some dish soap. It doesn't matter what soap you have. I used Dawn dish soap, and you just put a little bit at the bottom of a shallow container. The next step is you're going to have your child help you fill the container with soap with some water. The next step after that is you're going to mix the water and the dish soap together and create some awesome bubble mixtures. And then if you have food coloring on you, you can add a few drops of your favorite color food coloring or your child's favorite color, and you can even later on talk about mixing colors and primary colors and how if you mix two primary colors together, they make another secondary color. After mixing everything together, let your child start to experiment by dipping each wand in the solution and blowing bubbles. Ask questions to spark his or her thinking. Which wand makes the biggest bubbles? The smallest bubbles? And maybe the long-lasting bubbles? Talk about size and comparison. Talk about how far the bubble flew, how high up in the air it went, and just overall have fun with it and enjoy being outside. Activity I wanted to share was a super easy, fun activity that's almost free. So all you need is some water and a paintbrush and either a sidewalk or some access to pavement outside, and definitely just have fun. So this activity is called water painting, and you can use water and a paintbrush and allow your child to paint whatever they want. You can incorporate letter recognition, the alphabet, math. You can even do one-to-one correspondence